ओके सी, जैसे कि ये जो क्वेश्चन था हमारा, इसका सोल्यूशन हमने नहीं लाए थे. सो फॉर दैट व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू, हम इसका सोल्यूशन लेके मैं दिखाऊंगा आपको यहाँ पे कि हाउ टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. ठीक है. सो इस क्वेश्चन के अंदर क्या लिखा था, अ फास्ट ट्रेन टेक्स 3 hours लेस देन अ स्लो ट्रेन. ठीक है. सो इसके लिए जो हमने जो इक्वेशन फॉर्म किया था दैट वाज रॉन्ग, बिकॉज जो फास्ट ट्रेन रहेगी उसको कम टाइम लगेगा कंपेयर टू दी स्लो ट्रेन. ऑलराइट. सो यहाँ पे आपका आएगा टाइम टेकन by slow train minus the time taken by fast train. ठीक है. fast train equals to 3. alright. so alright, क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया था कि a fast train takes 3 hours लेस टाइम देन अ स्लो ट्रेन. तो आपका जो इक्वेशन बनेगा दैट विल बी टाइम टेकन बाय स्लो ट्रेन माइनस द टाइम टेकन बाय द फास्ट ट्रेन इज इक्वल्स टू 3. ऑलराइट. क्योंकि स्लो ट्रेन क्या करेगी, ज़्यादा टाइम लेगी. ओके. सो दैट टाइम विल बी मोर कंपेयर टू द फास्ट ट्रेन. फास्ट ट्रेन जो है दैट विल टेक लेस टाइम. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट, सो स्लो ट्रेन you will write time taken by the slow train minus the time taken by the fast train will be equal to 3. Now let's read the next part of the question. So for a journey of 600 kilometers, so the total distance both the trains are traveling is how much? That is 600 kilometers. If the speed of slow train is 10 kilometers less than the speed of the fast train. All right. So what we will do, let the speed of fast train be x. all right. So x, ये जो x है that is the speed of the fast train and we should write x kilometers per hour. all right. This is the speed of the fast train. Now ये जो slow train है, its speed is 10 kilometers less than the fast train. So you will therefore speed of slow train will be x minus 10 kilometers per hour. all right. It will be x minus 10 kilometers per hour. ठीक है. So and after that what is given, then that of the fast train, find the speed of each train. Now we have to find out the speed of each train. all right. Now we know that time is equals to distance upon the speed. all right. So the time taken by slow train will be, what? It will be 600 upon the speed of the slow train, which is x minus 10 kilometers per hour. So it will be x minus 10. all right. So this will be time taken by slow train. all right. On the other hand, the time taken by the fast train, will also be equal to distance, which is 600 upon the speed. The speed is how much of the fast train? It is x. So it will be 600 upon x. Now we will substitute these values in this equation. So the time taken by slow train is how much? It is 600 upon x minus 10. all right. Minus the time taken by the fast train is 600 upon x. So this will be equal to 3. all right. Now we will be solving this equation, and how do we solve? We multiply x with 600 over here. We will have to multiply x minus 10 with this 600, and we will multiply x and x minus 10 and x together. all right. So this will be 600x minus, it will be 600 in brackets x minus 10, all right, whole upon x into x minus 10 equals to 3. all right. This will be the the equation. Our equation will become like this. Now we will be multiplying this x into bracket x minus 10 on the other side. So this will become 600x. Now let's open this bracket. So it will be minus 600x, then plus it will be 6000. all right. It will be plus 6000 equals to this will become 3x, and in brackets you will have x minus 10. all right. Now on further solving, see, if you can see that 600x and minus 600x will get cancelled out. So see, let's make the RHS the LHS at the same time. So this will be 3x, and in brackets x minus 10 equals to, it will be 6000. Alright, so you can make your RHS the LHS and the LHS the RHS. Now after this we will multiply this 3x inside, so it will be 3x squared minus 30x, and let's bring this 6000 on the left hand side, so it will become minus 6000 equals to 0. Alright, now if you see clearly, 3 is common in all the 3 terms. You can take out 3 common from all the 3 terms. Alright, so this equation will become 3, in bracket you will have x squared minus 10x minus 2000 equals to 0. Alright, so therefore your quadratic equation is what? Your quadratic equation is x squared minus 10x minus 2000 equals to 0. Okay, so you have to find out the factors of 2000 in such a way that when you multiply them you should get minus 2000, and when you solve them you should get minus 10x. Alright, so what we will do, first of all we will multiply the third term with the first term, so that will give us minus 2000 x squared. Alright, so two factors of this can be what? It will be, okay, let's find out the let's do factorization. So it will be 2000, it will be 2000, it will be 500, then it will be 250. Alright, then it will be 125, then from 125 it will be 525, 5 5s and 5 1s. Alright, so this is the prime factorization of 2000. So if I take 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, and 8 2s are 16. Alright, and this will be 25 and 125. No, this combination won't work. So let's take 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 20 2s are 40. So okay, instead of doing by prime factorization, what we will do, we will directly use quadratic formula, so we do not have to, like, it won't take so much of time. So for that I will have to just erase that portion. Alright, so now what we have to do, we have to use the quadratic formula over here. So we know that from the equation we can see that our A is equals to 1, our B is equals to minus 10, and our C is equals to minus 2000. Alright, now we even know the quadratic formula, which is, we'll have to erase this also. Okay, so our quadratic formula is, your roots will be equal to minus b plus minus under root of b squared minus 4ac whole upon 2a. Alright, so we will substitute the value of a, b and c in this. So what do we get? It is minus b, so it will be minus and minus of 10 plus minus under root of b squared. B squared means minus 10 whole squared, b squared minus 4ac, so it will be minus 4, and your a is 1 and your c is minus 2000, okay, whole divided by 2a, which will be 2 into 1. So this will be what? This will be positive 10 plus minus under root, you will have minus 10 squared is 100, minus this minus and minus will become plus, and 4 into 2000 will be 8000. Alright, 4 to 8, it will be 8000. Alright, whole upon 2. So this will be equal to 10 plus minus under root of, this will be 8100, alright, upon 2. Okay, so this will be what? 10 plus minus, now square root of 8100 is what? Square root of 81 is 9, and square root of 100 is 10. So it will be 9 into 10 will give you 90, so it will be 90 upon 2. So that means your roots will be either 10 plus 90 upon 2, or it will be equal to 10 minus 90 upon 2. So 10 plus 90 upon 2 will give you what? It will give you 100 by 2, which is equals to 50. Alright, and over here if you see, this will be minus 80 by 2, so that will give you minus 40. Okay, now this is the value of x over here. Okay, this is the value of x. Alright, now you know that the x is what? The x is the speed of the fast train. Alright, Now the speed of the train cannot be negative, right? So that is why we won't be considering minus 40. So the speed of the fast train is what? Therefore the speed of the fast train is 50 kilometers per hour. Okay, and so the speed of the slow train will be 50 minus 10, which will be 40 kilometers per hour. Okay, so I hope this is clear, right? Okay, fine.